Hey guys, back here again doing another filter cutout. This one is for a coolant filter on my 2011 6.7 powerstroke. Got the XDP coolant filter set up on my truck, and this is the third filter, I believe, that I've pulled off of it. So you're supposed to run two filters fairly quickly, and then you can run one filter for about a year. I've got 147,000 miles on my truck now. Really, filter's not showing any kind of strange media inside there. Anything I'm seeing that might show up would probably be shards from cutting it open. But overall, I'm not finding anything in there. No gunk, no sludge, nothing. Some of the innards to this here. One thing I did notice, the Donaldson filters that I was using before seemed to leak all the time. This Wix filter didn't leak, and right now I'm running a Baldwin filter, a Baldwin B134 or 124. I can't remember what the number was again, but this little spring was down in the bottom of the can, sitting in that little perch there. So just figured I'd share another filter opening. Take it easy.